Kitchen's been all gutted. Everything that we're getting rid of is on the floor. Got some price stickers. So yeah, gonna have a garage sale. Decided to do that thing that fast food places do, where they like set up their franchises like super close to one another so that people, just go to one spot. And I saw that there's this estate sale going on this weekend, so I decided to put up a sign right next to it, and that's where I'm gonna put my last sign. The other ones I put around the street, around town, so hopefully this one gets a good amount of traction. And there it is. So we're just gonna put ours right next to it. It is the day before our garage sale, and we've managed to go through a bunch of stuff, and as you can see, it's kind of a mess because there's so many things everywhere. Just earlier today, I went through my closet, and this is my section of just tops that I'm getting rid of. There's so many things I don't wear. And pants. Man, living in Texas, it's so hot that I rarely wear pants, but apparently I had a moment where I bought so many pants, and I wear like the same 3 shorts. And while we've been assembling all our items to sell, the kitties have been having a great time laying on them. Oh, so tired. And then there's the other one. Oh, there's Kitty. We're gonna have to wake up pretty early tomorrow, so I figure we'd get a head start and start taking things outside. Finished setting up. We're both melting.
Get my towel.
That was pretty smooth though.
Mm-hmm.
We woke up at 7 and and we opened doors at 9. It's not even 9 yet. We've had a few people already.
I've had a bunch of people already. Early birds are out.
It is 10:32.
Okay, so we've been out here. We set up at 7.
Yeah.
People started coming at like 8, so we let them come in. We've been officially open for an hour and a half. We sold a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, we've gotten rid of a decent amount of stuff already, so
Yeah.
lots to go, but so far so good.
That has fallen over like 5 times, and we broke
And we already broke something.
one of the things. We broke a couple things.
Oh man, well,
Because when we were unpacking, there was some broken stuff.
it's a party.
Make some Mexico money, you know? It's all gonna go in our Mexico living fund.
And we're also gonna be so skinny after we sweat all day.
Yeah, it's been like a constant sauna
Oh my
outside. We got a storm. It was only like 30% chance of light rain.
This is heavy rain.
This is like a whole storm.
The downpour, we're
Yeah.
all wet.
Look at the whole carport. We had to move everything. Everything got wet. Everything is wet. The whole wet ground. Yeah, I guess we can stick some stuff in there.
These are pretty light.
Yeah.
Wet, and then it fell.
Fuck.
So after getting rained out, we took a little bit of a break, went and got some lunch. Still super sweaty.
Oh, you're so sweaty.
And well, now we have a better arrangement. We found some shelves in the garage, and we actually found a little table too to put stuff on. So it's much better presentation than we had earlier.
Yeah, this morning all of our blankets got wet, and as soon as the corner gets wet, it like just all gets wet. So we were in here scrambling to get stuff off the ground, and we learned our lesson. All your kitchen needs right here. This is a nice collection of antlers and artwork. Yeah, we put stuff underneath the table so we can come out tomorrow and we can just like put it on there.
Yeah, overall, pretty successful first day.
Yeah, we did pretty good.
We did pretty good for only having been out here for like half a day.
Not even.
Yeah, so excited about tomorrow. Hopefully we can get rid of more stuff tomorrow so that way we don't have to take it back inside.
Yeah. It is a sauna out here again. Very hot, very hot. But let's take a look.
Oh, we got one.
Oh yeah, we got a person.
So did y'all have any bites on the house yet?
No.
Hmm.
Yeah, we've been on the market now for like 4 months.
Yeah. It's really changed though. People don't want any projects. You know what I mean? And I think that's what it is with homes that need work, or or they're like, well, what I want to, some people will say, oh, I love the kitchen, I'll just paint it, or do whatever. But anyway, have y'all decided like where you're all gonna go, or
So I think we're looking at Oaxaca City for sure.
Oaxaca?
Yeah, well, we had a lady yesterday come from Victoria, and she said that she's also having a hard time selling her house because there's just so much inventory right now.
Yeah.
Let's go get that sign, boy.